Now we will learn about this hyperlink, that is working with hyperlink, our next topic. Children, previously we have learned about goal seek, scenario and Excel solver. Those three functions, they are working on variable that they are solving our problem. Hyperlink, actually, when you have seen that you are using Google, there are so many links. When you are clicking on that link, you will jump on that page. This is the purpose of hyperlink. Children, here I am having so many sheets. You will check here one scenario summary, one sheet 1, this one is my sheet 2, and this one is my sheet 3. Okay, I want to create the hyperlink of these sheets. So here one more sheet, this one is my sheet 4. In this sheet 4 I am writing here sheet 1. I am creating hyperlink sheet 1, and now I am dragging it with this hyperlink created. Now how we can create hyperlink? You will check here, names are there. You want to create hyperlink, you are having three option. First option is you will select this, मुझे इसका hyperlink create करना है ना, किसका, sheet 1 का create कर रही हूँ. You will click on insert tab. Here you will check links group. Here is hyperlink option. Okay, insert कर रहे हैं, so insert tab, which links group, and here is hyperlink. You will select this one. When you are clicking, you will check one box appear. Children, second method for this of creating hyperlink is right click on this one. Here is hyperlink. When you are clicking on hyperlink, you will check same box appear here. And children, third method is a shortcut key, control plus K from the keyboard. When you are pressing control plus K, this one is a shortcut of creating hyperlink. You will check same window appear here. Okay, now here again I will show how. Click on insert tab, links, and here is hyperlink. You will click on this one. You will check this window appear. Here first option is, ठीक है, out of this in left side link to किससे करना है, place in this document only, इसी में है ना वो सारी sheets से. So click on this one. Here is text to display. देखो क्या text display होना चाहिए. Here I am writing sheet 1. You will check here name on the hyperlink is sheet 1. If you want to changes, I am doing changes. Here I am writing periwinkle. Okay, type the cell reference. Type the cell reference. You will leave it like this only. कौन सी cell, कौन सी sheet को link करना है. I am selecting sheet 1 and then click OK. You will check one hyperlink created with the name periwinkle, and when you are clicking on this one, you will move on to sheet number 1. Okay, when you are clicking on this one, you will move on to this sheet 1. Okay, this one is the function of hyperlink. Children, here one thing I want to show. I am opening this here. Here I am opening this hyperlink. You will check that when I am clicking here, okay, I am pressing this control plus K key from the keyboard. You will check again window here. Children, here type the cell reference. Here is cell A1. It is written cell A1. When I am clicking on this hyperlink, you will check it will move on to the cell A1. How this A1? You will check na address A cell first column. So this is cell is A1. Now here in this I am writing, I am changing this address of this hyperlink. I am placing here control plus K. You will check that here in cell reference I am writing here A22, and now click OK. Okay, here I am setting it OK. You will check what changes it has done. I am clicking here on this particular hyperlink. You will check it is in sheet 1 cell number 22. I am using this drop down menu. You will check it is again there on sheet 1. हाइपरलिंक उसका ही क्रिएट किया है, बट इफ आई एम राइटिंग 22 तो इट विल योर कर्सर विल ब्लिंक ऑन 22 number cell. Okay, so this is hyperlink, how we can create. So again I will tell, first select it, right click कर दो, and then in right click you will check here hyperlink option. Click on this one, this window appear. Here text to display, whatever name you are writing, hyperlink पे वो name आएगा. Type the cell reference, whatever reference you are giving. When you are clicking on hyperlink, you will move on to this particular cell, or select a place in this document. You from here you will select your sheet. I am sheet 2 this time. I am clicking and I am clicking OK. You will check sheet 2 hyperlink is there. When I am clicking OK, you will check children here in this particular cell A1, इसके ऊपर हमारा hyperlink है. यहाँ पे cell is blinking, cursor is blinking. Okay, this in this manner we are creating hyperlink by using this method in the screen. Now children, our next task is that how we can create hyperlink to new workbook. Children, workbook is a collection of worksheet. So here like right now what we have learned about how we can create the link of the worksheets in the same workbook. For this, right click on the the particular sheet on this particular name, and here you will check on the insert hyperlink, you will check place in this document. Here you will give any name, whatever name, and now you will select the sheet and then click OK. When you are clicking OK, you will check hyperlink is here, and when you are clicking on this link, you will move on to that particular sheet. Sheet number 3 का link create किया. Now our next task is that if we want to create a hyperlink of new workbook, means एक new Excel workbook है, I want to create the hyperlink of that workbook. So for that I am clicking here new workbook. ठीक है, I want to create one hyperlink, new workbook मुझे create करना है. Right click, here is the option hyperlink, or you will use the shortcut key Ctrl+K. Children, here you will check that text to be display on the text on the hyperlink new workbook. You will give any name if you want to change this name. I am giving new link. Okay, here type the cell reference. Children, from here you will this link to में you will select create new document. I am selecting here name of the new document, any name you will give. Here I am giving my name Ritika 24 to this new document, and here you are having option edit the new document later or now. I am selecting now by default, or if you are selecting later, then it will your document will be open later on when you select. And if I am selecting edit the new document now, then right now it will do the editing. ठीक है, open हो जाएगा. Here is your path, full path. Children, you will check that on desktop. If you want to do the change, then you will select change, and from here you will select your location. I am selecting desktop only. Now click on OK. When you are clicking OK, you will check here last option OK or cancel. I want to create this hyperlink, so I am clicking OK. When I am clicking OK, you will check that my new document is created. Here again I will show. First you will select, right click, you will create new new link. I am creating new workbook link. Okay, now you will click on this, or you will use shortcut key. Here I am selecting, I am pressing shortcut key, selecting and right click, and here is option hyperlink. You will click here. You will check here on left hand side link to in this insert hyperlink. You will click on create new document. Any name you want to give, new document you name you will give. I am giving name to this Ritika 34. Now children, here is you will set the path if you want, and there edit new document. Now I am clicking OK. You will check that this one Ritika 34 new worksheet is workbook is created. Here 3 sheets are there. You will do any editing here like this. Okay, so in this manner we are creating, and the location is desktop. So you will check here in desktop, here is the file name Ritika 34. So in this manner we are creating the hyperlink to the new workbook. Again I will tell, you will give any name to your hyperlink. First I am giving name, I am giving here Petunia. Done. Then right click on this particular link. Done. And here is option hyperlink. This window appear, hyperlink window. Here you will select create new document. Here you will give your new document name given. You will give the name to your document. Here I am giving name Penstemon to my file name, जो workbook आएगा उसका name, and then click on OK. When you are clicking OK, you will check one Excel, this one new Excel sheet Penstemon is open in front of you. Now you will check on desktop it is there or not. You will check here is the file Penstemon. So this is the method of creating new workbook with the help of hyperlink. Okay class. Now children, our next task is creating hyperlink to the new document. Document means children, if you want to create hyperlink of any particular website, ठीक है, document तो अभी we have done ना, how we can create document, how we can create hyperlink of any Excel document. So now our next task is, if you want to create any hyperlink name I am giving here. Here name I am giving computer. Okay, I want to set this hyperlink of Google. Suppose new name I am giving Google. Here this one is your company, I am placing your data, and Google is your company. So I want to set your hyperlink of your company name. So right click here, means I am creating hyperlink of web pages. So again right click hyperlink, you will got this window, or you will use the shortcut key Ctrl+K. Okay, now here you will select here link to existing file or web pages. Here you have written here in address bar, children, you will write down the name of your company. Here I am writing www.google.co.in. Why I am writing co.in? Because in India it is co.in na, India. So here in HTTP you have to place HTTPS. S means secure. Now you will click OK. When you are clicking OK, you will check Google name is there, hyperlink is there. When I am clicking on this hyperlink, it will move directly to this particular web page. Here you will check we are on Google page. Okay, so this one is your Google hyperlink, means in this manner we are creating hyperlink of web pages. Again I will show how we can create. Again we are going there in Excel sheet. You will give any name here to your web page. I am giving your web page name computer, and right click on this. Either you will place it like this or you will click on insert tab. In hyperlink their option. Now here existing file or web page you will select in link to. Here you will give the name or address of your web page. Here I am writing any name, you will give any specific name. Okay, like I am giving google.co.in. When I am writing this, you will check automatically HTTP is here. You will place as HTTPS. Facebook का भी कर सकते थे. And then click OK. When I am clicking OK, you will check hyperlink computer name is there. Click on this one. You will move directly switch on to that particular web page. You will check. We are going there on Google. Okay, so this one is the method of creating hyperlink to the web pages. Okay, class. So in this manner, we are creating hyperlink. Thank you. So children, now here we will start with the topic. Topic is track changes. Previously we have learned about the different hyperlinks method, that how we can create hyperlink. Children, there we have learned that how we can create hyperlink by shortcut key Ctrl+K. Either you will click on insert tab, from there we will do. Now there in hyperlink we are having one we can say small topic remain, that is relative and absolute hyperlink. What is actually relative hyperlink? Children, relative hyperlink is that when I am writing here google.com, so that google.com is my relative hyperlink. Okay, when I am not giving proper address, I am writing only the name of the site, so this hyperlink is my we can say this one is my which hyperlink? This is my relative hyperlink. But here if I am giving proper address here, then that type of hyperlink is known as absolute hyperlink. If I am writing www.google.com, so this sort of hyperlink is known as our absolute hyperlink. Okay, so our hyperlink is divided in two categories. One is relative and one is absolute. Absolute means complete address. Relative means I am giving only name of the particular site. Now our next topic is sharing and review a spreadsheet, and in this first topic is our track changes. Now track changes we will learn that what is track changes. Children, meaning of track changes as its name suggests, changes in the track. ठीक है, what is changes in the track I will show you. The track changes, देखो इसका नेम जैसे बोल रहा है ट्रैक करना है. क्या ट्रैक करना है? जो भी चेंजेस हो रहे हैं उनको ट्रैक करना. सेम दिस फीचर इज अवेलेबल इन वर्ड ऑल्सो. ट्रैक करना है चेंजेस को. सपोज दिस इज माई वर्कशीट एंड आई एम गिविंग दिस वर्कशीट टू यू पीपल, and now you are doing without my permission, you are doing changes in my worksheet. So this one is my, so here in my worksheet you don't know कि I am already enabled my track changes and you are doing changes here in my worksheet. So whatever changes done by any user, so that one will be defined by this track changes option. ठीक है. First thing is track changes. When you are doing this thing in practical, you will check कि in your computer na it will, you are when you are trying to perform it, you are not able to do. Why so? Children, here in title bar you will check that with the name of this worksheet in bracket shared is written. ठीक है. So it means you have to first share your workbook. जब share करेंगे तभी तो कोई changes करेगा. And if anyone is doing changes, that will be tracked by track changer. Now how we can share the workbook? एक छोटा सा method बता देती हूँ. When you are clicking on the share workbook option, you will check here sharing is there. ठीक है. But if you are trying at your home, you will, when you are clicking on the share workbook option, you found that some error is there. ठीक है. तो अब देखो, अगर if you found error तो करना क्या है? You will click here on this office button or file tab. Children, here in the Excel options you will click, here is trust center. Click on this one, and in this trust center you will check that here, this trust center settings you will click, and here is privacy option, and you will click on this privacy option. If you found this thing, remove personal information, ठीक है, ये है ना document inspector, if this one is enable, उसको disable करना है. Okay, leave this add-in, disable. Okay, close. If this option document specific setting, this remove personal information from file property on save, if this option is enabled, you will disable this one and then click on OK, and at last you will do the changes and then click OK. Now click on the share workbook. When you are clicking on the share workbook, you will check that now your worksheet will be shared. Okay, complete workbook will be shared. Here you will check that in this particular sheet, these are the few things written over here. In place of 200 I am doing 300, in place of 1 I am writing 7, in place of 140 I am writing 120. You will check that few color changes there, है ना. So and here in total I am writing 5. You will check that color changes here because I started track changes here. It start track the changes that people are doing. So this one is track changes. Now here you will check when I am clicking on the cell what is written here, that with this computer name Ritika, and here change cell C3 from 200 to 300, means value is here 200, now I am changing it to 300. When I am clicking on any other cell, ये क्या बता रहा है, that change cell B6 from 4 to 5, value थी 4, now you will do it 5. In this particular cell 1 to 7. So this is the function of track changes. It will start track the changes what you are doing from your computer. Now children, here when you are clicking on this track changes, you will check highlight changes. Here you will check that this window appear. Here first is when. When means that when the track changes, कौन से track changes highlight करने. So all means सारे. Since I last saved, जो मैंने last save कर दिया तो उसके बाद किसी ने अगर change किया है तो सिर्फ उसको highlight करो. Not yet reviewed, जो मैंने अभी तक check नहीं किए हैं सिर्फ वही highlight करो. Since date, when I am clicking since date, here you will mention the date कि from that specific date you will track all the changes, you will show, I will check. Okay, so if I am clicking all, to all means it will contain all the changes, whatever the changes done by anyone. Who means who will do the changes. Everyone, complete. Everyone but me, मेरे को include नहीं करना है. Everyone excluding me from this computer. So I am selecting everyone. Everyone means including all. Where in which particular cell, children, you know na that this table is a combination of row and cell, row and column. So many cells are there in any single worksheet. So if you want any specific area, in that area only that you want, or that in the complete. If here I am selecting this one, so you will check that in this particular area only, it will check that if anyone is doing changes in this area only, it will track those changes. If someone is doing changes here in gift voucher amount, it will not track that change. So from by this, here's where. So in this manner, we are just setting the properties, highlight changes on screen, or you want these changes on the new sheet. देखो, if I am selecting this now, so what happened, whatever changes are doing here on this particular sheet, one new sheet appear here with the name history, and it will show the changes on that sheet. I am selecting okay, only changes which have been saved can listed in a history sheet. Okay, now you will check here in place of 200 I am writing 400. Okay, so it will show the changes here, and in this manner it will do the changes. So now children, next is here accept and reject changes. I am clicking here. Action will now save the workbook. Okay, first you have to save this content. First you have to save these changes, whatever same changes I have done, saving done. Now you will click on track changes, accept or reject changes. Children, here when, who and where. Accept and reject changes. When means when. Okay, when changes happen. Since date, any specific date you will specify, or not yet reviewed, जो मैंने अभी तक check नहीं किए हैं. Who means everyone or a specific person. Where means in complete sheet or in this specific area. So like this, and then click OK. When you are clicking OK, you will check that accept or reject changes. Here इसने क्या change show किया, that in cell C3 the value changes from this to this, and then you will click on accept or reject. If you are clicking accept, then it will accept this change. If you are clicking reject, then in place of 300 it will again restore 200 there. If so many changes are there, accept all, and if you want to reject all them, reject all, and at last close. Okay, so in this manner this track changes work. Okay class. So children, right now we have learned about track changes. Okay, track changes by which we can do that, or we can track the changes done by other people in our file. So these are the track changes. Now if you want to disable this track change, then again click on this track change, highlight changes, and you will disable this option. When you click disable this and then click OK, now your track changes will be disabled. Okay, now anyone is doing any changes in your file, you will check, it will not show any error there. Okay, now children, our next topic is creating comments. How we can place comment, how we can edit the comment, and how we can delete the comment. Suppose here I am created one sheet for you. Children, here you will check that this sheet here, I'll increase this size. You will check that in this sheet I am having place some batsman name and their runs they scored. Now I want to place comment here with these, that in future when I open, so whatever comment I am writing here na, so that I will check that comment. Okay, how we can insert comment? So children, for inserting comment you will click on review tab. Here in comments group, here is new comment. Okay, when you are clicking on this one, you will check that here comment option here. Now here you will write down, you will write better luck next time. Here a comment I am writing. Okay, so here one comment I created. If you want to do the, this one is the name of this PC. If you want to do the changes, you will do. You want to write anything here, here I am writing XYZ. This comment is there, better luck next time. Okay children, now here when I am clicking on this second one, here also you will check that you will write the comment with the help of new comment. Otherwise, second method of writing new comment is right click on this one. Here is you will found option insert comment, click here. When you are clicking comment, here you will write down well done, any comment you will give. Here I am giving well done, done. Here I am writing done. Children, here you will check the column in which I am writing comment. There you will check that one, this red symbol is there, na, red corner is there. Okay, but what happened when I am moving to some else cell, your comment will be moved out. Now here when I am going, my cursor is going there on that particular cell, then this comment is shown. Now I want that my this comment is permanent there, मुझे उसको permanent करना है. Then what you have to do, you will select that one, and here you will check here in review tab show and hide comment. When you are clicking on the show and hide comment, you will check that now it will be shown there, and again select this one and then click on show and hide comment. You will check both the comments are visible to you. Now you will move on to anywhere in your sheet, you will check that comment is there as it is. If you want to do the editing in this, if you want to remove this comment, so you will check that here. Again you will select it. Now disable this show and hide comment. You will check that all the comments now it will be hidden here. Okay, you will select second one, second cell you will select, and again click on show and hide comment. You will check that now your comments will be hidden. So in this manner we are creating comment. You want to do the editing in your comment, then you will select your comment here and then right click. Here is the option edit comment. From here you will do. Now if you want to do the editing, you will write down anything here. You will check that in this manner we are doing the editing in the comment. Okay, and if you want to make it permanent, then again selected this shell and then click on show and hide comment. You will check your comment is there. Children, our next topic is deleting a comment. If you want to delete any comment, we again same two options are there. Either you will click on review tab, in comments group we are having delete option. Click on this one, you will check that your comment will be deleted. Otherwise, next option is right click there on the desktop on this particular cell jahan pe comment hai. Here is the option delete comment. From here also we can delete the comment. Okay children, for creating comment we are having one shortcut key also, and that shortcut key is shift plus F2. From your keyboard you will press. Now you will start placing your comment. So children, in this manner we are creating the comment. Okay.